Hello everyone, welcome back to our Green Gold Farm Initiative channel, where we focus on sustainable organic avocado farming. Yes, my name is Dennis Aine, and of course, I'm a civil engineer by profession, but by passion, I'm a farmer, and I'm proud of it. And yes, having traversed so many farmers and so many friends, having seen the impact of dry season, we've decided at least to do something. And guess what? We are in the process of installing an irrigation system here at our orchard. Because our trees, looking at their performance, the performance really needs some. We also need to do something. And then the trees can now also now support us with good performance. So come with me and I take you around at the farm and you see some measures that we want to do, which is irrigation. And now for irrigation, as you can see, we've bought some bricks here, okay? Then there is a sand, that is sand. And come with me, I want to show you. And we've also started on the process of course, of drilling a well. So before anything else, a well is something very, very crucial. And so this is what we are now on. You can see we are doing it organically. We are doing it manually. A bit so much of African. Okay. So that is Richard. Yes, so the colleagues here that you're seeing, they are helping to drill the water. And as you can see on top, it's about, the diameter is about 1.5 meter. And that will help us to do some kind of, it will enable us to be able to have a working space. Because this well that is being dug here, it will eventually be constructed. As you can see, the bricks are there already. Then our cement is also up there. So it will have to be constructed up to down to the ground level. And this is where we shall put our pump. Our pump will be there. So at the moment, this is what we are doing. Okay, you can see the process, how it is done. Okay, so of course, the excavated soil, I can see it is clay soil. They are using this, the pulley, sort of a pulley. And then after it is put back for someone who's down there to be able to put another dug soils. So there is water, and at the moment we are actually planning to get a pump and be able to pump that water out. I think probably by tomorrow, so that because once there is much water, it is a bit disturbing. Yeah. We are starting with this process, okay, and we want to first of all have a well in place. So once the well is in place, then the rest can follow. So we are doing a well, and this well here, our target is to have about 20,000. We want it to be able to produce 20,000 liters of water. And the 20,000, only on our farm, we only need like about maybe 10,000, and that is on a worst day, okay? Because everything has to be calculated. We are not going to be putting that water there, but we just want to have a reservoir. We want to have a well that is adequate enough to be able to have enough water, so that in future, in case of any extension, or let's say our orchard has extended, has grown a bit bigger, then now we'll not again go back to dig the well. So this well, it is going to be about, because here we have water, as you can see, down here, about how many meters? 15 meters from here. Down there, it's kind of a swamp, sort of a swamp. So there, if you dig like this one hole, you see water. So the issue of underground water here is not a problem. So we have water. And so how this well is dug, of course the first up you can see it's a bit big. Okay, let me show you. Up is a bit big, I mean small, but as you go down it keeps on expanding, keeps on going into the sides. So you may find down it is even like maybe like 3 meters in diameter. Like in other words, it has multiplied by 2. So we shall go deep until we reach the real water, the natural water. Then there, that's where we shall start building, because we shall have to build these walls and protect the soil from falling in, but also to protect its not to be contaminated. So we really want the other down water, underground water, which is actually good, so that we can also use it for home consumption, as you can see up there. In case we are going to cook or prepare food, we shall use this. So we are starting with a well, and the process is going on well. After excavation, the process of course, when water is removed, pumped out and everything, and the debris, the excavated soils, so once it is out, then they will start constructing it. Once constructing it, reach up, now we can talk of other things, of bringing in that pump, then also the tank, which will be, of course, our second reservoir, from which now directly by gravitational force, the water will be coming here. We are planning on solar system, which is the best green energy. We prefer green energy here, which will be able to pump water from this well up there. Okay, it will be pumping it up, because we will put our pump, our tank will be up, and then from there, by gravitational force, water will be able to be into this orchard. Every step of irrigation system that will be happening here, I assure you, I will capture it here, and I will show each process step by step, and what are those things you have to do, what are those crucial things that you should not skip. I swear, I promise, I will share with you, because I want you, in case for you who has not installed the irrigation system, install it when you know some of these things, because not that everyone gets an opportunity to know how these things are done. So I will share with you each and every detail of our irrigation system. So thank you so much. Please, if this is your first time, you can subscribe, then you like, you also comment. Whatever comment you put, we'll respond. If you're advising, if you're sharing knowledge, thank you so much. And also share with your colleagues. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.